igene mokwongo ni nitie kata lweny mar Amerika gi Haiti, tabu mani Haiti. Noken lweny Kenya gi Haiti. But the good working relationship between Biden regime kod Kenya nogolo yawuot Kenya dhi goyo lweny mok benefit gi. Ineno mano, nyisi ni Kenya play a vital role globally, kata in terms of security and counter terrorism. Two, Joyce, ingene koponi America edwa strengthen which mag security ma Kenya to kotere Senate. Owacho ni one as a country, America, Trump regime, wagolo pesa machalo kama plus training machalo kama e polisi ma Kenya. To kineno ka gi discuss gik ma nyalo income mar Kenya, kata this manyalo the economy mar Kenya. Joyce nyisi ni jogi oko mean well for Kenyans. And mana purely business. I'm telling you. Because King York at Iran as a country, Joyce. Iran is the biggest buyer mar coffee, kata tea. Right? Kwa gore gi Iran sane. Kata wa wundu ni gin enemies magwa. Wabro kwa mugi coffee, kata tea. Kwa ngiyo kata Russia. King York the creation of cheap fertilizer in Russia. Right? Wade timorenade. Kwa ngiyo unwachako ni wagore gi China. Kwa ngiyo the biggest infrastructure in Kenya kumontia sanene and Chinese government. Right? The relationship manolo si Kibaki, the Chinese government. Kwa ngiyo ni koro wadwa gore go. Lweny maonge onge olemo at all. Tingeni ya Joyce, I'm telling you, if follow the history of Republican as a political party, you give the control behavior. You don't control everything, maginano. Lakini interest marge and purely business. Again, it's nano kaki destabilize Congo government. Ma at long run, gilongo President Felix Kocha, koka gichako stabilize Congo through Kagame. Yes.